Okay, we have a Hyundai-Wia Vertical Machining Center model VX500, serial number G3684-229. This machine was new in 2012 and we're gonna run her for you. All right, we're running a program. Just gonna do a couple of tool changes. Machine has a 47.2 by 19.7 inch T-slotted table. You have a Cat 40 spindle that goes up to 10,000 RPM. You have 41.7 inches of X travel, 20.1 of Y, and 25 of Z. This is a side mount tool changer as well. 24 tool capacity. Right now we're running 4,000 RPM. 6,500 RPM. Nice and quiet. 20 horsepower spindle. Again, you see the axes move around, nice and quiet axes, telescopic weight covers. Machine also does have a chip conveyor and double augers with it. And it's doing its thing. All right. Great. Thank you for watching our video.